everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. This is going to be a fun video. I'm very excited about doing it. First of all, I am wearing Vogue 1747. I did a sew with me on this. I'll leave it in the iCards and you can go check it out in this beautiful Ankara. I wore it today, and so and also today, so much fun, so much fun. So welcome everybody for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. And before I jump all the way into today's video, don't forget to check out my website, my shop my closet page. I'll leave a link down to it below. Some items have sold out, but there are patterns that I have destashed out there and a couple garments that I have put out there up for sale. So make sure you go check those out. I am going to be sharing with you, as you can tell by the title, my summer wardrobe, my pieces for my summer wardrobe that I am putting together. So how this came about is, as you all know, every couple months, Roz, who owns So Much Fabric, she hosts the Sewing Fashionistas meetup. And so the day I'm recording this was another meeting. And so our homework or our to-do or the theme of the meeting for today was to pick 5 pieces for your summer wardrobe. It could be bottoms, tops, dresses, the combination thereof, maybe a special occasion if you have something coming up, and all of that. So I must say today's meeting was so much fun. It was so fun seeing what everybody would be working on. A couple ladies had trips planned. Few people had different events that they had coming up, which was included as in part of their collection of items. And so yeah, I thought it would be fun that I would come in today and share with you what I picked. So and so you all know I've had my colors done. One thing you will not see, I feel like I didn't necessarily need to make it this collection. You all know typically when I'm making things, I love color. I like color. I like different types of prints. You all know purple is my staple, and then I also love wearing pink. You know, my favorite color is absolutely purple. But yeah, so you all know I already make things with those colors in it. So this collection is not having any of those colors in it. What I decided to do, and I shared my, I had my colors done, and so what I've decided to do was move to the more neutral side of my color palette. Again, you all know I'm usually in the purples, the colors, and all of that, but I decided we are going to do 5 different pieces that is more of that neutral, that softer side of my color palette, and we are calling this Summer Nights. These are our summer nights. So typically when my husband and I, when we go on dates or go out and different things like that, if we're going out to dinner or the movies, you know, something like that, we usually go towards the evening. And so these things, that's what I kind of thought of when I thought of these different pieces and the fabric that I've chosen. So when you see these fabrics, you're going to be like, you wearing that in the summer? I absolutely am wearing it in the summer. It'll be more for my evenings, my date nights, and the bonus is I actually can still wear these pieces during the day, but just switching them up with different colors on the tops for some of these that I can switch out. So yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So I will pop up the pattern on the screen and I'll just show you the fabric as well. So this is the base. So this first one I'm showing you is the base. This is the one where I built the color scheme from my color palette around this particular fabric. And what I will be doing with this first fabric is a bottom. It is a Jiffy pattern. You all know I just picked this up. I think I had mentioned I was planning on doing something with this soon. This is that item. I will be doing this is Simplicity 9595, and I'll pop it up on the screen. And also keep in mind, this is not something, oh, I'm gonna hurry up and do this this weekend, or you know, it's June, so between June and August these pieces will be made. So keep the timeline in mind. And so yeah, that's what I wanted to do. So this here is again 9595 Simplicity, and I am using a fabric I have had in my stash forever. It is a rayon challis, and it's actually from Roz So Much Fabric. She does not have this anymore because I believe this is like 2-3 years old maybe, but I've always absolutely loved this print. Always love this print, always love this print, and could never think what I wanted to do with it. I was like, a dress? Well, I don't know if I want a dress. And I have, oh, I think I bought 4 yards of this. I think I have more than enough for the pants for sure. And I probably can get away with making a top, probably a woven sleeveless top. But anyway, the focus is the pants. So let me come up a little closer. As you can see, these colors. Look at these colors. You have black. I am not a black wearer. Like, I actually, only thing black in my closet right now are the Rebecca Page culottes. And I do wear those a lot with different color tops. So yeah, I'm not a black, all black wearer by no means. And so, but I wanted to pull that out. And yeah, this is so fun. I absolutely love this hair color. And the top, one of my tops that's gonna go with this is, again, I just talked about this, just picked this up in April. You all know I hunted this down. This is a vintage Vogue 8926. Vogue 8926. I will be doing view A for the top, so it's sleeveless. And so here we go. It's simple linen. Top, actually this is a viscose linen, so it's a linen blend. I got this from JoAnn Fabrics, but that's what that top is going to be. And as you can tell, can't you just see that? The pants, and then this, if I can hold it up, see that? Oh, that is going to go so well, so well. So that's a top that I'll be making. Then I will be making, actually with, for many of you, well, actually she doesn't have a YouTube channel, she's not on IG, but for those who came to BHM Pattern Designers, you would have met her. Her name is Miss Pat, and me and Miss Pat is having a sew date here soon. And so we are going to be making, and yes, there will be some behind the scenes of this, but anyway, we will be making Vicky Sews. This is my first Vicky Sews pattern. Pat is used to making Vicky Sews, so I'm happy that we're doing this together to kind of walk me through some of those things with Vicky Sews. And Roz was saying today, as a matter of fact, that for those in the US, you can order, and maybe this applies everywhere, I don't know, you can order Vicky Sews on Amazon, and the physical pattern through Amazon and get it. This is a PDF. I did the PDF. But anyway, just putting that out there. This is Vicky Sews, the, I believe it's pronounced llama blouse. The llama blouse. And again, I'll pop up a picture. You'll notice on the picture, the sleeves are quite long. You all know I do not like sleeves that long on me. And actually, if you look at the model, the sleeves go a little over her knuckles. Definitely not my thing. But I do like the top. I like this blouse. And what I plan to do is that bell look all the way down on the sleeve. I plan to do the bell look out, like right above my elbow, around that area. So still gonna have the bell look, is just gonna be much higher up on my arm. And the fabric that I have for that is this. This is a beautiful, and I'm gonna come up so you can see. This is a beautiful eyelet. It's a jacquard knit. It does not have a ton of stretch in it at all. It has enough stretch, not like overly stretchy or anything like that. But I am going to use this to make that blouse, and I think it is going to be beautiful. And this, I purchased this from, and I'll link to the fabrics where I can. I know I can't link to the JoAnn's because I don't remember the exact. It's from JoAnn Fabrics. It's part of their rayon linen, their blend section over there. This I can link to. This is Sincerely Riley Fabrics. Actually, they have a ton of colors that I was thinking I want to go back and probably get some more. Like, they have all of the colors in the eyelet. And of course, that first fabric I showed you, cannot link to that because she is out. This next one, so that is 1, 2, 3, and this is kind of 4 and 5, and then I have my bonus piece. So this is new release. This is Mimi G's 9714 by Simplicity. It's the jacket and the shorts. And so again, I wanted another, I like this jacket for something that I just have, that I can pair with different things no matter what the color is. And I chose that too because I wanted a solid. I just told you I do not own, I only have one thing black in my closet, and it's those culottes. But this is another rayon. It's again from JoAnn's. It's the rayon linen blend. And I am going to do view A and view C, which is the jacket and the shorts. And so for me, the tops that I'm making, the blouses can go with this, right? And then I have, if I wanted to punch this up and bring more color into it, I can by having a tank underneath, a different, you know, different color tank underneath. Even for the pants, the Jiffy pants, I can have a cream color tank. What else in there? You got the kind of that burnt orange. I can really still do something with it. But the bonus is with the what I'm thinking. With the pants and with the shorts, the shorts have elastic in them. I should be, even with weight loss, be able to still carry these out at least through November, because as you all know, in Texas the weather is absolutely hot until it's pretty warm until late winter. So these are pieces, and that was something else I was thinking, like I would like to, because again, I don't have these colors in my closet, and so it'd be nice to have something that can continue to transition through the summer, early fall, and then we starting to get into you know, the winter. And so the jacket definitely can keep rocking throughout the winter. But yeah, the shorts, love, love, love. Y'all got to let me know what you think. And then of course, here is the big piece, the big piece. Okay, so this is Vogue 1861, the Badgley Mischka dress. Remember when I showed this and I was like, oh, I think an Ankara would be absolutely beautiful, you know, for our anniversary. We usually go out to dinner, movies, or something like that, and I was like, I would totally rock this, and I think it would be absolutely gorgeous in an Ankara. And it's view A, and I did find an Ankara that I like. This came from Every Clothing Store. I want to say she is out because there were 2 lots available and I bought them both. So I don't believe this is available anymore, but I'll still link to the website down below. And so this is a whole dress. So like I said, this is my bonus piece. I've already received and washed this. Let me unfold it. Let me unfold her. Here she is, and I'm gonna come up closer so you can get a good look. But this is a beautiful, again, on my softer side of my color palette, and I'm gonna come up closer here so you can see. But this is and it's wrinkled, but this is the softer side of my color palette, and so it's absolutely beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. And this you can't really tell, but that's pink in there. Oh yeah, you can't tell, that's pink. And then you have that lighter yellow, and this shade of yellow looks good on me, and just absolutely love it. I'm just trying to make sure you can get all the angles, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? So this is going to be that Badgley Mischka dress. And yes, I will do a muslin on that bodice. You better believe I'm going to do a muslin on that bodice because I am not wasting this fabric. What I had to do, because this fabric, this last pattern calls for at least, it asks you to do a petticoat, but I'm not doing a petticoat. That's why I'm choosing this, the Ankara, because it's stiffer, but it should still work. It is for 45-inch. It says you're supposed to make this out of a 45-inch wide I'm sorry, 60-inch wide fabric. But of course I'm doing 45. So with all of that in consideration, of course I'm gonna have to turn this on the side and all of that. I'll share all that with you. Anyway, we'll see how the pieces are looking. The bodice will probably be fine because I can see those are princess seams. But anyway, for dress A, is calling for 60 wide inch fabric. It calls for at least, in my size range, which is looking like it's going to be the 22-24, is looking like it's calling for 5 1/8 yards. And when you order Ankara in the 6-yard bundles, that's 45 inches wide. So I told you when I got this, I knew I had to pick a fabric that I would like, because I would need to buy 2 bundles, 2 6-yard bundles, so 12 yards. And that's what I did. I bought 12 yards of this. So I have more than enough, right? And you're only, from the reed, you're only lining the bodice. And it looks like probably that the ruffle that's going around the neck is gonna, so you see the good side of the fabric. So definitely have way more than enough to accomplish this look. But yes, this is going to be for when we whatever, we haven't decided what we're doing yet, if we're gonna go what we're doing yet. We haven't decided, dinner, movies, combination of both, or what. But either way, whenever we go out for our anniversary, this is what I'll be wearing. So I am super excited about these plans, and I will be sharing the update in my room here coming up soon. So stay tuned, because one of the things I am doing after I kind of went through the room and everything, one of the things I'm doing is I have now, you can probably see this calyx here, the shorter one. I am it's a 3 cubby. Projects that I am working on and plan to work on is in here, and I'm not allowed to do anything else. No, cannot, no more. But anyway, I'll talk about that when I give the update for my sewing room, which shall be probably early July, something like that. Or it might be at the end of this month, one of the two. You'll see something soon. But that is it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for Wednesday's video. That should be my Simplicity pattern collection that I have. And sharing with you all of that before it's time to vote on the pattern that you all want me to sew up from Simplicity. So stay tuned for that. That is it, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. This was so much fun. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you're thinking. Yes, totally the opposite end of my color spectrum for my color palette. Y'all know I stay in the brighter side, but this time I say I'm going more neutral, things that can transition definitely from the summer through the fall into early winter. So let me know what you think. Summer nights. This is my summer nights. All right, everybody. Have a blessed one, and we will see you on Wednesday. Bye.